5. Can't believe we only have 5 days left. It's crazy. I just got to Boise. Gonna cruise around for a little bit. Starting to feel some drizzle, so yeah. Gets old, man. Excuse me. Yes. What food would you say Boise's known for?
All kinds of food.
Well, if you were here for one day, what would you want to tell someone to experience?
Well, I would tell somebody if they were only going to be here, maybe the Basque Block.
Okay.
Because they have a couple really good restaurants down there.
What's
One in
that?
particular, Leku Ono is a Basque restaurant down there.
What's Basque?
Basque is a part of Spain. It's a region of Spain, and there are a lot of Basque people in Idaho, in Boise in particular. And
Really?
It's a whole cultural area down there.
They're kind of famous for tongue, beef tongue.
Really?
Yeah, but it's not as easy to get as it should be.
Okay.
So you'd have to work at it if you're opposed to beef tongue. The Basque market looks like it's just a hoot, and I think it's right there.
Okay, I might have to go in there then.
Yeah, looks like everything on the menu is just really appealing.
How you doing?
What's up, brother? How are you?
Good. How you feeling today?
Doing all right. What can I do for you?
I've never had Basque food before. People
Welcome.
told me it's like
Yeah, welcome,
known
man.
in this area.
Absolutely, that's us. So we've got a little menu for you to check out, brother.
All right, cool.
On the front side, we've got our pinchos and tapas, which are the smaller plates. So you can just pick and choose a few of them and have at that. However, on the flip side, we just added entrees with side dishes if you just want a full, complete meal.
What do you recommend for a first-time experience of Basque food?
Always about all about the croquetas are always a go-to, and our Basque meatballs are wonderful with the lamb and beef that we use in there. So those two, and also the wine braised chorizo is just so.
Okay, so
So
we'll
those
do
three
two
is-
and you pick them.
Right on, man. Let's do it. Have a seat wherever you'd like. Grab some
Thanks,
water. We'll
man.
meet you over there.
Appreciate it. It was lovely meeting you guys. Thank you so much. Take care. It was lovely talking to you. Bye. Wow, that was incredible. Those two ladies might have been the two nicest people I met on this trip. Had an awesome conversation. They ended up just buying my lunch, so thank you to them. And don't have too much time here in Boise, so I'm gonna go skate. Alright guys, so the water's starting to creep into the dry parts of the skate park. So I'm just gonna jump right into a trick. Gonna try fakie 180 to frontside feeble, 270 out. See if I can get it. Alright, so this is one of those tricks where when you go to come in, it doesn't work. When you're not trying to come in, it feels like you can go in. Alright, right here. Alright guys, so water's really dripping in now. It's getting like super slippery. Just gonna try a couple more and then gotta move on. I wish you guys could see how dangerous that was. We just had like puddles of water rushing in, trying to stop it, but yeah, just getting too dangerous. I'm gonna switch it up and try a nollie 360 the rock and roll, hopefully. Alright, so every time I roll up, I have to roll through that puddle right there. This park is just like super dusty, so any bit of water makes it like, oh, extremely slippery. This is probably the most dangerous trick I could be trying, so I'm gonna switch it up. I've been trying to think of a trick for like 15 minutes. I just can't keep rolling through that water anymore, so I'm gonna stop pushing from that little island. I'm gonna try a nollie back tail, big spin out. Maybe I can get that. So hard to stick it. I just have like my wheels slipping out like in my head every time I try it. All right, right here. All right, off camera, stepped in the tiniest bit of water, slipped back, landed straight on my tailbone. I gotta stick this and get out of here because, yeah, can't be getting hurt like skating when it's wet out. All right, I'm almost getting too tired to keep trying. Okay, so I've been trying this for about an hour and I almost just rolled my ankle right there. I think I'm just getting too tired, so I'm just gonna try like 5 more and then, I don't know, figure something out. I don't think my back can take another one of those falls.
Come on, dude! Yeah! Yeah! Yes! Yes! Oh my god, that was so good!
Oh my god. Wow. Okay, so that was by far the hardest day yet. That was intense. I can't put that whole battle in there, but that was about hour and 15, hour and a half of attempts on only that trick. I'm gonna try the other trick for, I don't know, probably 45 minutes. But yeah, my lower back, just from jumping off the quarter pipe and slamming on it, is like so weak right now. So I don't know how I'm gonna feel tomorrow. I still have I have to check the GPS, but about a 7.5 hour drive to Montana. So that probably won't help my back too much, but that's it. I'm psyched I got that trick. And yeah, fun day here. See you guys tomorrow.